back to my channel. I hope everyone is having an absolutely wonderful day. Again, thank you for being here. I do truly appreciate it. Leave a comment down below telling me how your day is going and what you think of the subscription. So as you can see from the description down below, today we are going to be unboxing Mint Mongoose. This subscription is amazing. For those of you that do not know, this is a jewelry subscription and you receive 3 pieces of jewelry every month. And I love this packaging. First of all, this color is beautiful. Yay for that. And this was ever so kindly sent to me for review, so thank you so much, Helena, for sending this to me to review and to share with my subscribers. I very greatly appreciate it. A little bit about Mint Mongoose. Again, if you are not familiar, you do receive the 3 jewelry pieces every month. You do have the option to choose gold, silver, or rose gold. And the value of the box is always $40 or more, which is fantastic. It is only $12 a month. They do charge shipping. It may vary based on your location, but usually $3, $4. It's not that expensive. So you're talking less than $20, which is amazing. And the pieces are always so beautiful. So we're going to take a look in here and see what we got. But another little bit of information for you. They do have another plan. They're Mint Mongoose Black. It is $22.99 a month. And that actually gives you 4 pieces of jewelry. And also with the regular Mint Mongoose, and I do believe also with the Mint Mongoose Black, you do receive like a little bonus surprise gift every 3 months. And it could be like a wallet, sunglasses, a makeup product, just a variety of things just to kind of say thank you, which I think is amazing. That is so sweet. And let me see if there's anything else. Oh, and if you want to go ahead and prepay for 3, 6, or even 12 months, you can actually save your per monthly cost or per month cost for the subscription, so you can make it lower than $12. So let's dive in and see what we've got in here. I'm super excited to see. And like I said, I just love the color of this bag. It is so pretty, and when you see it in your mailbox, you're like, yay! All right. So, this is what it looks like, and you guys, I think it is so stinking cute. It's in this cute little white box, always with this mint ribbon, and the wax stamp here embossed with the mongoose, like old school, the way you would seal a letter. I love that and think that is such a unique touch, and it's just so beautifully packaged. Like I hate having to undo it to get in because again it's just so pretty. But when you do open it, there is always a Werther's Original candy inside. That is, I think, a really sweet touch. And if you have a sweet tooth, it's perfect. So, and always a card that says, yay, it's here. Be sure to share photos or videos of your new favorite Mint Mongoose jewelry pieces with the hashtag, or with the tag, hashtag Mint Mongoose, to be entered to win a free month. And you can do that on Instagram or Facebook. And then, like I said, also here it says, thank you, Mint Mongoose. Super, super cute. And then everything comes nicely wrapped in this beautiful, again, mint paper. And it looks like I have one item here outside of the bag. This is so beautiful. This is a ring. And what I love is anytime there is a ring included, it is always like an adjustable type ring. So you don't have to worry about sizing or anything like that. It's going to fit, which is fantastic because sometimes, you know, some people may wear a 6, some people may wear a 7, 8, 9, the list goes on. But here is the ring. This obviously is the rose gold, and it's like leaves, and it is just so beautiful. So there is that. And then let's see what we have in here. And this is always, again, wrapped so neatly and beautifully. And here are our two other pieces, and each item does have a tag here, again, with the Mint Mongoose logo and information here with their website, which I will link down below if you would like to sign up. And it says if you spend $40 on individual items in our online shop, you receive your next box free. So that's great. And let's see, this looks like some earrings. So let's take a look here. This is one thing I can truly appreciate is the packaging. You know, everything is bubble wrapped, then packaged in another plastic wrapper. Then everything is wrapped up with the tissue paper inside the cute little box with the waxed seal, and then inside a mailer. So you know your stuff is going to arrive safely. So these, I can already tell even through the bubble wrap, look so pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay, these are gorgeous. They're little like dangle earrings. And that stone color is so pretty. The one thing here I really like about Mint Mongoose is the jewelry is never too flashy. It's simple, but pretty, it's delicate, it's something that can always be dressed up or just worn casually. So I think these are just so pretty. So there are the earrings. And then I'm going to assume this is a necklace. Again, the same little Mint Mongoose tag. Oh, I can already kind of see, and this looks gorgeous as well. And I'm really loving this ring. I think it is so pretty. Oh yes, this necklace is so gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Okay, so again, it is rose gold, and all of the jewelry has, when there's like a weight, like the earrings obviously didn't really have a way to do this, but like right here, you can see the mongoose there. But you guys, look at that. How beautiful is that? So gorgeous. And again, it's, you know, it's simple but beautiful, and it's something that you totally could just wear every day, or you could dress it, you know, you can dress this up. You can pair this with like a beautiful black dress or something, and you are good to go. And you've obviously got the matching earrings. That's one thing that I really like too about Mint Mongoose is usually when you receive a necklace, you're receiving earrings that match. So I just think this is absolutely gorgeous, and it's a really good length. And it does look like here, if you wanted to, you could adjust to make it a little shorter. But I think this is like the perfect length, so it kind of just sit like right here. And it's, like I said, it's just enough that it's, hey, I'm pretty, I'm here, but not too like, woo, in your face. So just to recap again, and I'm going to guess that this is the May 2019 box, because I have seen some unboxings for April, and this jewelry is totally different. So this here again is the beautiful necklace, and obviously this gorgeous ring here. I think it is just so pretty. And then we have these cute little dangly earrings. Again, just so beautiful, and obviously again they match the necklace. So that was the Mint Mongoose for May 2019. Comment down below what you guys think. You know, do you get Mint Mongoose? Do you enjoy it? Are you thinking of signing up? Let me know, and let me know what you think of these pieces. I think all three are absolutely beautiful. So again, I hope you have a fabulous day. Don't forget, we do have our 2,000 subscriber giveaway going on. That link will be down below. If you have not already, please consider hitting that subscribe button and give the video a thumbs up, and I will talk with you guys with the next one. Bye.